Welcome back to our channel. ZBCN Coin has been in accumulation for 280 days. What does this mean for traders? Let's break down the price action, support levels, and whether this Solana-based project is ready for a breakout. Right now, ZBCN is trading at $0.0009, with a $75 million market cap and $38 million in daily trading volume. The volume-to-market cap ratio is 50%, signaling that buyers are stepping in despite the recent price drop. Looking at the chart, the coin has been moving between $0.0007 and $0.0015, showing high volatility. The best buy zone is around $0.00079 to $0.00089. If price retests this level, it could be a strong entry point. Potential profit targets asterisk. Selling at $0.0010 equals 11% gain. Selling at $0.0015 equals 66% gain. Right now, ZBCN is in a consolidation phase, but if momentum picks up, a strong breakout could be on the way. What's your price target for ZBCN? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and subscribe for more crypto updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.